Toby, you had the iPhone 3 to talk to me and anyhow, Abi Toby. So now me and you is mates. Me and you is mates. Open your mouth to speak when I'm talking to you.
But Ma,
But ma what?
Ma, I was sleeping very delicious, so.
You were sleeping very delicious. Is that my business? Is it? Shut up.
Ma, what was that for?
Shut that thing you call mouth. Idiot. Oh God. I told your father to use a condom. If he had used a condom, he wasn't gonna land me into this mess.
What mess?
Shut up. Open your elephantic ears to hear me. Hold them with sense. From now on, you will be my houseboy. You will be my gate man. Everything I tell you to do, you must obey you. Because if you not, you will leave my house. You they hear me so? Shut up. I did not ask you to answer me. Did I ask any question? Shut that thing. You call mouth.
I'll call the police for you.
Oh, my chest. My chest. Hey! You want to call the police for me?
That's child abuse.
Look at me. When the police see me, you see how sexy I look? When these police see me, they will fall for me. Do they hear me so?
Ma! Do you see your makeup? Do you see your broke up glasses?
Tell you, boo boo, they look on point. They look clean, baby. They look good. They look so good. So, that's your business. Anyways, I don't have nothing to tell you. But, don't forget, you are my houseboy, my gate man, my cook, my cleaner, my everything. So, deal with it.